21. Jesus manifested himself again to the disciple at the Sea of Tiberias, and he manifested himself in this way. So God has a way of manifesting himself. Sabi niya, after these things, after the sufferings, after the crucifixion, after the resurrection, biglang dumating ulit si Jesus. These people who left him, who betrayed him, who denied him, here is Jesus again manifesting himself. Now look at this. Simon Peter said to them, look at Peter, went back to his old work. I'm going fishing. They said to him, we will also come with you. They went out and got into the boat, and that night they caught nothing. Now, but when the day was now breaking, Jesus stood on the beach, yet the disciples did not know that it was Jesus. They were too busy for their work. They were too busy to think about Jesus. As far as they know, Jesus is dead. Tama? Tama po ba? As far as they know, Jesus is non-existent. Pero ito si Jesus took the initiative to go to them, and look at what said. So Jesus said to them, children. Alam niyo yung word na children? It's an endearment. Hindi parang minamalit sila. It's a way of saying, pare, mga kaibigan, mga kapatid, parang ganyan. Sa panahon natin, bro, mga ganyan. Sabi niya, you do not have any fish, do you? Sabi niya, they answered him, no. Hindi pa rin naman. And he said to them, cast the net on the right-hand side of the boat, and you will find a catch. So they cast, and then they were not able to hold it because of the great number of fish. Therefore, that disciple whom Jesus loved said to Peter, it is the Lord. Balikan niyo ulit yung scenario. Remember when Jesus Christ called these disciples? The first scenario was when they were fishing, and Jesus said, I will make you fishers of men. Kinalimutan nila yan. Sabi niya, tatrabaho na kami. Wala na si Jesus. Pero ito si Jesus ulit, balik na naman, pakita siya. Hindi ko nakakalimutan yung unang tawag ko sa inyo. Halika, hagis niyo ulit. Kaya tinan nyo nakakatawa. Sa sobrang excitement ni Peter, tinan nyo. So when Simon Peter heard that it was the Lord, he put his outer garment on, and he was stripped for work, and threw himself into the sea. Sa sobrang excitement niya, isipin nyo, lalangoy ka na rin lang naman, magbibihis ka pa ba? Andiyan pa kayo? Kunyari na, si Jesus! Nagbihis, biglang tumalon sa dagat. Parang sabi ko, ano ba itong nangyari kay Peter? Parang nawala sa sarili. Di ba? Normally, pag latanong mo sa dagat, tatanggalin mo yung damit mo. Ayun, wala naman ang sensuot tayo ibabaw eh. So sa sobrang niyang tuwa, si Lord! Nagbihis. Sabay tumalon sa dagat. Sabi ko, wow. Doon mo na mapapakita ito, talagang witness ito. Hindi ito parang, alam mo parang legend lang na kailangan may meaning lahat. Ito talaga, parang nakita nito ni John, sinulat niya, sabi niya, sa sobrang tuwa ni Peter, ibang-iba sa reaction niya. Bakit? Bakit ganun si Peter? Naalala niyo nung nakita niya si Jesus, nung nag-perform ng miracle of catching so much fish? Alam niyo sabi ni Peter, depart from me. Kasi ang nakikita ni Peter, sobrang siyang conscious sa kanyang sarili that he saw Jesus. Sabi niya, Lord, layo kayo sa akin. Layo kayo sa akin. Kasi normally, kapag nakafocus tayo sa sarili natin, lagi tayong ganun sa Diyos. Lord, layo kayo sa akin. Kaya hindi tayo makalapit sa Diyos when God is inviting us. And oftentimes, God uses problems. So oftentimes, God uses parang wala kang nangyayari sa buhay mo para lang sabihin mo, alika na rito. Come and have breakfast with me. Kaya minsan ginagamit ang Diyos yun as an invitation. Come and have breakfast with me. Talk with me. Then I will tell you what to do. Kaya, alam nyo, minsan may mga problema tayo, hindi natin maintindihan kung nangyayari. Kung estudyante kayo, hindi nyo maintindihan paano nyo solve yung problema. Kaya sa opisina, hindi nyo alam paano nyo ayusin. Alam niyo, minsan, imbitasyon ng Diyos sa iyo yun eh. Why don't you talk with me? Why don't you have meal with me? Kaya minsan, alam niyo, minsan, yun ang makakalungkot na reality, no? Dami nating problema, ayaw pa rin natin lumapit sa Diyos. Ang nadas, marinig sa mga tao, hindi ako makakasama kayo. Masusunog ako dyan. May mga ganun salita. Yung iba naman, hindi na, I always fail Jesus, I'm sorry, I cannot. Yung mga ganun ba? Let me tell you this is a good news. Sabi ni Jesus, even before you fell, I knew you. I knew you. And I'm inviting you to come back. Gusto mo mag-grow in love with Jesus? Don't focus on yourself. Come back and have meal with Jesus. Anong gagawin mo? Come back with Jesus. Parang sa salita na, come to Daddy. Daddy's waiting for you. Nakakaintindihan? Natuloy